morning, students. Now it is our conversation class. Which chapter we have done? We have done the chapter number 4. This is my friend. What is the main thing you have understand? You have to learn there. You have to say 5 lines about your friend or best friend. Okay. How to describe you have learned, I have given, okay, and some words are given, you have to learn and say that. Now today I am going to teach you some extra questions, okay. Now let us start. My first question, what is the name of your country? Okay. What is the name of your country? Question number 1. What is the name of your country? Suppose you have gone outside, new families meet with you. One uncle asks you, do you know what is the name of your country? Then what you will say? You will say, yes, the name of my country is India. Answer will be the name of my country is India. I-N-D-I-A. Okay. What is the name of your country? Your country name is India. Again I am saying, what is the name of your country? The name of my country is India. Okay. Now come to number 2 question. Number 2 question is what? What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? If somebody asks, what is the capital of India? Then what you will answer? New Delhi is the capital of India. So question is, what is the capital of India? Okay. Answer will be New Delhi is the capital of India. What will be the answer? New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. Understand? My next question. In which state do you live? In which state do you live in? Both are correct. In which state do you live? You live in West Bengal. Or what you will say? I live in West Bengal. So number 3 question is, in which state do you live? Okay. In which state do you live? Answer is, I live in West Bengal. What is the answer? I live in West Bengal. I live in state, you can say state, West Bengal. I live in a state West Bengal. Okay. Now question number 4. What is our next question? Our next question is, what is the capital of West Bengal? Okay. What is the capital of West Bengal? The answer is Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? Answer will be Kolkata. Is the capital of West Bengal. Okay. What is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So till now what we have read, what is the name of your country? The name of my country is India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. In which state do you live in? I live in state West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Understand this? Now come to the next question. Our next question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Do you know who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Okay. Question number 5. What? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Answer will be Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Understand? He is the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, if he is the Prime Minister, then who is the President of India? Next question. Who is the President of India? Who is the President of India? Who? Who is the President of India? Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. What is the answer? Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Kovind is the President of India. Okay. And last question. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Our West Bengal's Chief Minister who? Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Okay. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Okay. Who? Answer is Mamata Banerjee. Okay. Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Understand? So you heard 3 more questions we have learned. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Understand? So these are the extra questions you have to learn. Okay, learn it. Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.